Welcome to Business in Motion. We're so happy to have you and your need for change with us during our second decade of international growth. It really is time for you and others to embrace change, and we at Business in Motion make that relatively pain-free and simple through our strategic leadership and change initiatives. Business in Motion has always moved businesses and leaders ahead through change, while merging two departments or organisations, maybe automating processes, changing sales approaches, maybe evolving systems, or introducing diverse sets of new products, or even embedding new cultural priorities. We've always reached and measured success, and we've done that by increasing speed of adoption, proficiency and usage, by mitigating the impact of resistance, and also reducing costs and risk. It takes years, many years, to craft agility into the process of our work, such as defining what success can look like, building customised pathways and frameworks, enabling systems, roles and people, and also measuring impact. Yet, it is that very depth of experience that our clients of Business in Motion have come to rely on. We are happy to see our original USPs, the things that make us different, are still alive and kicking. One, we choose only to work where we can elevate results for positive impact. That includes leadership effectiveness, organisational results, stakeholder experience, and also community as well, given that business remains to be the most prolific global institution. Number two, we continue to value open minds because that allows us to drive growth and change. And number three, we still absolutely work systematically, ensuring that the consequences of our actions are going to have the best possible effect. As the world has changed, we too have changed. We achieve the same success, however, through the application of technologies these days. That's why we can have such a global client base. And we've also evolved our product and services portfolio. That's all in line with the customer need. One thing that hasn't changed, though, is our continued commitment to bringing reconnection into organisations. There's too much disconnection, and we aim to reconnect organisations and leaders. So, if you're one of the thousands of decision makers who's feeling unclear, unsure or unprepared for the next day, week or month, for the next process, system or culture change, or even for the next step that might be right in front of you, please do make contact. Our work is your work, and we're here to equip you to convert your business issues into business success.